The 6.5 Creedmoor has made its mark as the precision darling of the modern rifle world. But here's the question nobody asks out loud. What happens when you step outside the Creedmoor's comfort zone? Because there are cartridges out there that hold velocity longer, carry more energy to target, and flatten out trajectories past the point where the Creedmoor starts to struggle. If you're serious about long-range accuracy, hunting bigger-bodied game, or just want a rifle chambering that runs hotter than the standard Creedmoor, this breakdown is built for you. We're taking a hard look at cartridges that outperform the 6.5 Creedmoor. We're talking about real-world advantages, flatter arcs, stronger downrange punch, and versatility that pays off in the field and on steel. So let's get started. First up, the 7mm PRC. Hornady designed this cartridge from the ground up with extreme range performance in mind, and it flat-out delivers. The 7mm PRC fires long, high BC bullets that hold on to speed and energy deep into the distance. That aerodynamic profile means less drop, less wind drift, and more confidence when you're stretching out past 600 yards. For the hunter, this isn't just a paper puncher. It hits hard enough to anchor elk cleanly, even at extended ranges. Recoil? Noticeable, but not abusive. With a proper stock or brake setup, it's very manageable. Accuracy stays consistent shot after shot, which is why precision shooters and backcountry hunters alike are adopting it fast. If long-range lethality is the mission, the 7mm PRC deserves a spot at the top of your list. Now let's look at the 6.5 PRC. Think of it as the Creedmoor's bigger, faster brother. Same bullet diameter but loaded hot and running flatter with more authority downrange. Hornady built the 6.5 PRC to give shooters Creedmoor-like precision with extra horsepower, and that's exactly what it does. Trajectory is noticeably flatter. Wind drift is reduced. And when you're pushing into distances where ethical shots matter, that extra velocity translates to better terminal performance. Sure, the recoil steps up compared to the standard Creedmoor, but it's still very controllable, especially with today's rifle setups. For hunters who want the balance of shootability and magnum-class energy, the 6.5 PRC is hard to beat. Now let's pay respect to a cartridge that's been putting meat in freezers for nearly a century, the 270 Winchester. The 270 has earned its reputation as one of the great American hunting rounds, and it's still holding its own against the modern newcomers. It shoots fast, it shoots flat, and it brings enough energy to handle whitetail, mule deer, or even elk when paired with the right bullet. One of the 270's best qualities is its versatility. Whether you're glassing across big country or hunting in timber, it adapts without missing a beat. Recoil is mild, accuracy is steady, and it isn't finicky about ammunition. It just plain works, and it's been proving that for generations. If you're a traditionalist, or you just want a cartridge that's field-tested in every kind of weather and terrain, the 270 Winchester still belongs in the conversation. And of course, we can't skip over the 308 Winchester. This round has done just about everything. It's served in the military, dominated competitions, and anchored game animals on every continent. The 308 is reliable, accurate, and one of the most versatile rifle cartridges you can buy. Part of its strength comes from availability. Ammunition is everywhere. Bullet choices range from light varmint loads to heavy hunting and match-grade options. And reloaders have a field day with it because it's so forgiving to work with. On the range, it produces consistent accuracy and predictable recoil. In the field, it brings dependable stopping power for medium to large game. And on the wallet, it's one of the more affordable ways to stay stocked thanks to surplus and bulk options. If you're building out your rifle stable and you want one cartridge that can do a little bit of everything, the 308 Winchester is a proven workhorse. The 7mm 08 Remington is one of those cartridges that checks a lot of boxes without beating you up on recoil. It's got that sweet balance of precision and power that works just as well in a lightweight deer rifle as it does in a tuned precision rig. If you've ever wanted more reach and authority than the 308 Winchester, but you're not looking to jump into the recoil of the big magnums, this is the lane you want to be in. What makes it shine is the efficiency of those 7mm bullets. With that slick ballistic profile, you're getting a flat trajectory, minimal wind drift, and very good energy delivery, even 400 to 500 yards downrange. Recoil stays mild, which means you can train longer, shoot more comfortably, and keep your eyes on target for faster follow-ups. Whether you're stacking steel plates or chasing elk, the 7mm 08 brings accuracy, consistency, and enough terminal performance to get the job done cleanly. Now let's shift gears to something with more raw speed, the 6.5 Weatherby RPM, short for Rebated Precision Magnum. Weatherby engineered this cartridge to push 6.5mm projectiles to higher velocities without requiring a full-length Magnum action. The payoff is a flat shooting round with energy retention that keeps working way past 500 yards. What really jumps out when you run the Weatherby RPM is how quick it is. Bullets fly flat, giving you less holdover and less dialing, which is a huge advantage when you're taking shots across open country. That velocity also brings confidence knowing your round is carrying plenty of energy to anchor game at extended ranges. Yes, recoil is sharper than your average 6.5, but it's nowhere near punishing, especially if you've spent time behind magnums. On the mountain or on the range, it's a hard-hitting, fast-driving cartridge that absolutely delivers. And now, let's talk about a round that's become a favorite among precision shooters, the 6mm Creedmoor. Think of it as the Creedmoor that traded a little bullet weight for speed and laser-like accuracy. It's extremely popular with competitive shooters, varmint hunters, and anyone who values staying flat and fast with minimal recoil. With some loads clocking over 3,000 feet per second at the muzzle, the 6mm Creedmoor gives you incredibly flat trajectories, reduced wind drift, and lightning-fast follow-up shots. The low recoil makes it easy to spot impacts and stay locked on through the glass. From the bench, this cartridge consistently prints tight groups, and out in the field, it brings precision that holds together even out at 1,000 yards. The beauty here is efficiency. It doesn't punish the shooter, but it punches above its weight class in performance. That's why it's become a trusted choice for competition and precision work. The 243 Winchester. This cartridge has been putting meat in the freezer and tight groups on paper for generations. What shooters really love about the 243 is how balanced it feels. It's fast, it's flat, and the recoil is light enough that new shooters, younger hunters, or anybody who just wants a softer shooting rifle can run it comfortably all day. For deer and varmints, it's a proven performer. Out to 200 or 300 yards, you're looking at flat trajectories that make scope adjustments almost unnecessary. On the bench, it's easy to control and very forgiving traits that keep people coming back to it even with all the newer cartridges hitting the market. Reloaders especially appreciate the 243 because it runs efficiently and has a wide spread of bullet weights to tailor loads for different roles. When it comes down to it, this round is still around because it works, plain and simple. Now let's talk about a round that deserves way more respect than it usually gets, the 25-06 Remington. This cartridge was born by necking down the legendary 30-06 Springfield case to accept a 1/4-inch bullet. The result is a lightning-fast round that absolutely screams downrange with a trajectory flatter than most shooters expect. You're talking muzzle speeds well north of 3,200 feet per second depending on the load. That kind of speed makes it a dream for longer shots, since you don't have to fight heavy bullet drop or big scope adjustments. For hunters chasing deer, pronghorn, or other mid-sized game, the 25-06 delivers clean, ethical hits with authority even at distances where other cartridges start to lose steam. At the range, it's a joy to shoot. Recoil is noticeably lighter than the bigger 30 caliber magnums, yet accuracy stays rock solid if your rifle is set up right. Another thing I've noticed, the 25-06 doesn't get temperamental with weather shifts. That consistency matters when you're out in the field and can't control the environment. It's one of those rounds that simply performs without demanding much back from the shooter, and that's why it earns the title of an underrated gem. So here's the bottom line. Whether it's the long-range punch of the 7mm PRC, the proven reliability of the 308 Winchester, or the underrated speed and flatness of the 25-06 Remington, every one of these cartridges brings something the 6.5 Creedmoor just can't match. For me, the 7mm PRC is a true distance hammer. But I've also got a ton of respect for the 270 Winchester. It's been dropping game cleanly for nearly a century and shows no signs of slowing down. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these cartridges do you think leaves the 6.5 Creedmoor in the dust? Or is there another favorite that didn't make the list? Drop it in the comments. I read everyone. If you got value from this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment to keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and as always, shoot straight and stay safe.